Hello everybody. Welcome to From Around the World Season 2, and today we're starting out with the UK and we're going to make some stunning fish and chips. Budding Chef Eric here, and welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. So we're gonna start by marinating our fish. Here I have some lovely fish fillets. So to that I'm gonna add some garlic, the juice of 1 lemon, freshly squeezed, I highly recommend, some salt, some white pepper, some paprika, and some cayenne pepper. The paprika is just there for the stunning color and a little bit of added flavor. Once you've added all those ingredients in the fish, mix it together and let it marinate for about an hour. In the meantime, we can get started on our chips. Now, the British generally like thick chips. I hate thick chips. So I decided to go with the nice thin skinny fries. So you're gonna start by peeling your potatoes. Here I have about 4 to 5 large potatoes. This is just, I'm gonna feed a family of 4. So peel up your potatoes and then pop them into some cold water, and you can chop them up into fries. You can do this however you like or no, but yeah. Before we do that, we need to heat up some vegetable oil, and here I'm using my Salad Master Bad Gal, which is like an oven sort of thing that you can preheat. I preheated mine to about 180 degrees and let the oil get hot. This is an amazing appliance. I'll leave a link down in the description box below with the details of the vendor of Salad Master here in Kenya. So you can chop up your fries and pop them into some cold water. Once they're all nice and chopped up, we can rinse them and drain them, and then rinse them in some water just to make sure we get rid of any excess starch and make them super crispy. You can cut these however you know or like. Let those guys dry and make sure they're fully dry before they go into the oil. So you could, like, once you've chopped up your fries, you could now heat up the oil. That'd be much better. Once your oil is up to temperature and your chips are dry, we want to gently lower them into the oil at 160 to 70 degrees and let them fry for about 5 to 10 minutes, just until they are fully cooked in the center. Once they are all nice and fully cooked, this is not the only fry we're doing. You just want to gently pull them out of your oil and place them onto like a dish that has holes at the bottom in a way. This is something else that comes with the Salad Master. It's a church pan. So yeah, this that. And then you want to reheat your oil to a super high temperature and let it heat up for 10 minutes, and then lower your fries back in again and let them cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, just until they're super nice and crispy. Once they're nice and cooked, you want to drain out the excess oil and place it onto that church pan or whatever you have. You can top it up with some salt when they're still hot and toss them around beautifully. Pop them into a warm oven and while we work on our fish. So we can make our fish batter. So we're going to start by combining some self-raising flour, some salt, some paprika, and some white pepper in a bowl and give that a really good mix. Then we can, in small additions, you can start adding in soda water or beer, whichever you'd like. Here I'm using soda water because it's easier, it's cheaper, and it was the only thing that I could buy. And then you can crack in an egg and give everything a really good mix and set it aside so we can get started on frying up our fish. So pull your fresh fish out of the fridge and dip it into that lovely, delicious batter. Strain out the excess, so just let it drip off, and then gently lower it into the oil and let it cook for about 7 to 8 minutes, just until it's super nice and golden brown on the outside. You can cook about 3 at a time in the Salad Master pot, but if you have a bigger pot, you can always cook more at a time. Once they're all nice and golden brown, make sure you flip them frequently. You want to gently pull them out of your oil and let them fully cool. And literally, that's it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So all you need to do at this stage is plate up your delicious fish and chips and enjoy. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's a really simple British dessert, a British dish, and I know you're gonna love it. Serve it with some lemon slices and enjoy.